Today is Monday, December 8th, and this is my weekly garden update on my transplants. These are from the Arrow Garden. This is a Brussels sprout. I'm ready to pull some of the leaves to make greens. This is the broccoli. I clipped the main head and it is sprouting new clusters all over, just as it should. Swiss chard. I planted them the other day out of the Arrow Garden, and also the cabbage. They're all doing well. Here's my collard that I overwintered. Well, I mean, from the summer. It's been here all year. And I had cut down the main stalk, and it just continues to grow. And I picked the tomatoes the other day and made tomato sauce for my husband for lunch. And so now we just got a few little green ones still coming in. I planted this at the end of the summer, and I was so surprised to see that it's actually developing a few tomatoes, and there's a nice ripe one back there in the back. It's kind of covered up. We have to get that. And these are the carrots. And they're still doing real well. I still have them covered. I'm so scared to take the cover off. But yeah, they're coming along real fine. I'll probably get out here and try to do that tomorrow. And this is the cauliflower. It's just the greens left from it. I've cut that back several times. You can see the original stump there. And I just let the greens grow and cook them. This is my other broccoli. It's been out here all year. And the top part is going to flower. You can still eat it, but it's not the pretty clusters. And this is my other Brussels sprout, and it's finally trying to get a few heads on it. Although the heads are not forming like I like, but they are doing just what they're supposed to do. Over here is my, this is the sunchoke bed, and just one sunchoke left. But we took it down off the stand that it was on, put it down on the ground. The boys did it for me the other day. And I've already got sunchokes planted in there, so we'll see what we get. Something's digging in my dirt over here in my compost pile. And all of the squash are gone. Well, all of the acorn are gone. The squash that were in this pot is gone. The butternut is still growing, trying to do its thing, although it's looking kind of peaked. And this little acorn is struggling. It had a few babies on it, but it looks like it's not going to make it. I don't know what I did wrong with the acorns, with the squash this year. The only one that seems to be producing is the butternut. Okay, that's it for the garden this morning. Wait, I almost forgot. Over here in this is the cilantro. It's gone to seed now, hoping that it's going to drop seeds all over. And the kale. Kale is one of my wonderful, wonderful ones. I have several growing in here because I promised one to another friend, so I'm waiting for her to get ready to collect it. But I have 4 kales in here. All right.